Are weight loss injections the future of fighting obesity? Medication like Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro, originally developed for diabetes, are now being used by millions to shed on fast. Headlines from various outlets like CNN, BBC, the New York Times call them revolutionary. But how do they actually work? Are they safe? And what does the science really say? Let's explore the truth behind most talked about the weight loss drugs in the world, that is the GLP-1 agonists. What is GLP-1? GLP-1 stands for glucagon-like peptide 1, a hormone that your gut naturally releases when you eat. Its the job is to control your blood sugar, increase insulin, slow down stomach emptying, and sends a signal to your brain that you are full. Think of it as your body's built-in appetite controller. Now, pharmaceutical companies have created GLP-1 receptor agonists, which mimics this hormone and enhances its effect, helping people lose weight by reducing appetite and food intake. So, how does this drug work? When injected once a week, drugs like semaglutide or tirzepatide bind with the GLP-1 receptor in your body. This slows down how quickly food leaves your stomach, increases insulin after meals, and reduces the release of glucagon, a hormone that raises blood sugar. Most importantly, it acts on the brain's hunger center, reducing cravings and help people feeling full with less food. The result? Substantial weight loss up to 15 to 22% of body weight over a year. But it's not just about weight loss. These drugs also improve blood sugar control, reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes, and may even help in conditions like PCOS, fatty liver disease, and metabolic syndrome. One major trial, the SELECT study, showed semaglutide reduced cardiovascular events in overweight patients even if they didn't have diabetes. That's why healthcare systems like UK's NHS are expanding access to these medications beyond diabetes to tackle obesity. However, medications are not without any side effects. Mild symptoms include nausea, vomiting, constipation, diarrhea, or headache, especially during the first few weeks. But the serious and rare effects include pancreatitis, gallbladder issues, kidney injury from dehydration, depression, or suicidal thoughts. This also led to an FDA mental health warning. They also slow down your digestion, which may affect how other drugs like oral contraceptives or blood thinners are absorbed. People on insulin or sulfonylureas need to be cautious due to the risk of low blood sugar. That's why it's critical that these drugs are used under medical supervision and not as a quick fix diet hacks. The buzz around GLP-1 drugs aren't just a media hype, but it's backed by science. The STEP trials published in the New England Journal of Medicine shows that semaglutide could help patients lose up to 15% of their body weight in 68 weeks. The SURMOUNT trials found that the tirzepatide used lost over 20%, outperforming over many other therapies. Even Nature published a 2024 article praising GLP-1 agonists for changing obesity treatment forever. These drugs are no longer just diabetes, they are reshaping how we view chronic obesity as treatable and medical conditions. So, is GLP-1 a miracle solution? Not quite. While powerful and effective, it's not magic. It works best with lifestyle changes, medical monitoring, and long-term health goals, not short-term diet culture. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.